Good afternoon. Thank you for calling room service. This is Nelaine. How may I assist you today, ma'am and sir?
Hello, this is room 5. I'd like to order something from the room service menu, please. I'd like to order one club and a glass of orange juice.
Certainly, sir. One glass of fresh orange juice. Would you like anything else?
No, that will be all. Thank you.
Thank you. Your order will be delivered to your room within 20 minutes. Enjoy your stay at London Hotel.
A few moments later.
Room service. Room service. Room service, please. Good afternoon, sir. Here's your fresh orange juice.
Hi, that was fast. Perfect. Thank you.
You're welcome, sir. Kindly sign this receipt, please.